Babagtas-bagtas kami sa hapon. Oh? You have hiccups again, anak ko? Don't. Not the cloth, anak ko. No, baby, not the cloth. Okay, guys. Babu fell asleep after 1 round in our village. Actually, guys, we do that one. We go 1 round so that he's not gonna be bored inside the house. But then when we came back, this is what happened. He fell asleep. I will give him only at least 20 minutes because he cannot sleep tonight. He's not gonna give me enough sleep again tonight. So maybe 15 to 20 minutes only. Actually, I didn't wake him up, guys, because I know that you told me last time in your comment that not gonna disturb for the baby sleeping because it can affect the development of their brain. So I stopped waking him up. Even sometimes they're telling that the baby need to wake up, but I said no, as you said no, because it's not good. So he will wake up later, at least 15 to 20 minutes. And I have here, actually it's not a milk, guys. It's a corn wine. I have 1 glass of corn wine because they said this one, it's good. It can help to produce milk also for the baby. So I will drink 1 glass only. So yun, guys, exactly 15 minutes he woke up. He wake up by himself. Oh, bebe. At least, guys, umidlip siya. Napagbigyan niya yung napagbigyan niya yung antok niya. Ayan. So, happy na ulit ang baby namin. Happy, bebe. Bakit ang dilim ng camera natin, be? Ha, anak ko? Oh, it's raining. It's raining. Sana magtaglamig na dito sa amin kasi ang hirap po mag-survive kapag mainit. So here's my babu, guys. He's ready to sleep again. He's ready to go to sleep now, guys. Right there. Really sleepy, anak ko. Actually, he woke up after 15 minutes of his nap. Then he drink only his milk. Then after that one, I clean him, change him to his pajamas, and now he's ready to sleep again. Say good night, anak ko. Good night, everyone. See you again tomorrow. Thank you for watching our videos. Good night, everyone. Okay, guys, so that's it for today's, and we are finished eating and we are ready to sleep. Babu already inside the mosquito net. Yes, and Baba As is here, ready to sleep. Actually, Baba As is sleep on the floor, and me and Babu is sleep on the bed because our bed is single only, guys. So me and Babu only in the bed, and Papa As is on the floor. So that's our setup here in our room. And so yun, guys, actually yung stroll namin kanina, so isang part lang yan ng village namin. Actually our village, the whole Kairahani too is a very big village. Kairahani. So inside our place there are schools here. Have English school, the Marigold boarding English school. We have the public school. How many schools have here in our village?
Too much.
Yes, there's a lot of school here in our village, guys. The bear factory, Kairahani to also that one. Yun, may bear factory din dito sa loob ng
Have their bear factory, have there for the food factory, have there for chips factory.
chips
Chips.
factory. So malaki, guys, itong Kairahani to malaki siya. As in malaki siya kasi may mini hospital.
Have there for this small
May police station din dito sa loob ng village namin. So may mga factories din dito. Kaya ang sabi ko sa inyo, ang daming poultry din dito sa loob. Ang daming poultry. dito sa loob ng village namin. So, kapag ganyang summer, madami din yung langaw. So, that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much, everyone, for spending your time again for watching our videos. Thank you for always supporting us. And, thank you so much. So, I think, guys, I need to end now my video for today. Yun nga, yung nagpapa-shoutout po pala, sa next video ko na lang, bukas na lang po yung shoutout kasi hindi ko na ilista kung sino yung nagpapa-shoutout. So, tomorrow na lang po yung shoutout. Ano po? And, what else? Ayun, tatapusin ko na po ang video ko kasi baka po hindi ako makapag-edit, makapag-download ng video ko today kasi nga, nag-start na pong umulan na naman. So, yun lang guys. So, see you on my next video. Thank you so much everyone. And God bless us all. Bye!
Bye!